I'm Dr. Charles Shively. As a pharmacist and healthcare advocate, I'm often asked about the validity of health claims associated with various products. The Almased product is composed of a isolated soy protein isolate. It's non-GMO, also has natural honey, and in addition, slim milk yogurt powder. There's a lot of misunderstanding about soy that is included in this product. It does not impact hormone estrogen levels. It actually works to block natural estrogen being placed into the body and can reduce subsequent potential disadvantages associated with higher estrogen values. Also importantly, there are no added sugars in this particular product. One of the most recent clinical works that have been completed talks about the use of how metabolic chambers can determine how the metabolism is increased, how it reduces the blood sugar levels, the insulin levels, and finally how it impacts metabolic syndrome, that dreaded disease which relates to insulin need and, of course, weight gain. This is my review of the Almased product. If you would like additional information regarding this product and its features and benefits in terms of helping with weight loss and meal replacement, please visit the website www.askdrs.org. AskDrS.org.